All last week, I told you that rather than selling everything, you should just sit on your hands. Because once the pain ends, we're going to bounce right back. Sure enough, the averages were today, with the Dow gaining 484 points, S&P jumping 1.16%, NASDAQ also climbing 1.16%. Okay, I know, it's nowhere near making it back, but it shows you that selling into Friday's vortex didn't work as a tactic, did it? If you recall, last week represented a disaster for some of the most economically sensitive stocks, as well as tech. I couldn't make sense of it, because the only big thing that happened last week was the August employment report, which showed mild growth and a sizable revision down for July. To me, this was a great number if you're hoping for Fed rate cuts. We needed a Goldilocks set of figures, not too hot, not too cold, and that's exactly what we got. Wall Street disagreed vehemently, though, in my view. The market reacted as though we were headed for a recession, with people dumping the cyclicals and buying the slowdown plays, like the consumer packaged goods stocks, drug stocks, that kind of thing. The industrials and the semis were really hard hit, especially, well, I got to tell you, the industrials, mind-numbing. And I'll tell you why. We had Caterpillar's Jim Umpleby, the CEO, on Thursday night. Geez, I thought he told a terrific story, and yet the stock just got obliterated the next day. I felt like I completely missed something. You buy Caterpillar if you think the Fed can reignite the economy by cutting rates. It should have been a winner Friday. Of course, we come back from the weekend, and it turns out that I wasn't wrong at all. Friday was wrong. CAT jumped $4.68 today, making a fool of those who dumped it on Friday. Today, it looked like the buyers had realized that the Fed's rate cuts are going to work. Now, that's a reasonable explanation, but I think there's a better one. Nothing mattered, because nothing really happened at all, except for stocks going zigging and zagging.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.